Hi, I'm Dennis at TeraFlex. We got a couple of parts you've been waiting for here. Yeah, we got the 1155-400 and we got the 1155-500. Let's just go ahead and open these boxes up. These are a couple of spacer lifts. I mean, it's called the 21 Plus Ford Bronco 1-inch performance spacer leveling system. Yeah, I'm thinking 1155-400 really flows a lot better. But, you know, this is just a 1-inch spacer that goes on the top of the strut, so you don't have to compress the strut or do anything hard. That just drops on top. The factory bolts are going to go back on. But then we get another one. This guy is going to go on the bottom. We're going to do one more thing, though. Get rid of those bolts that hang down there that are hanging down through your control arm. They're going to get dragged on rocks and everything if you ever get out and use the thing. With this guy. So this is going to come up from the bottom. We're going to push out the studs that go through your shock. Those are gone. This guy's going to sit there, and these are going to come up through this into your shock, through the control arm, and bolt it all together. Okay, so pretty neat little system. Here's a life hack for you. What if you didn't want a full inch? Maybe you got a Sasquatch package on there and you only wanted just a little bit because you added a winch or something on it. What if you just didn't put part of it in? Yeah, just use a little bit, level it up right where you want it. So there we have it. 1155-400 right here, and they're ready to go. We've got the 1155-500 sitting right here. It's time to open it up. Yeah. I don't know. What do you think it could be? What if I told you it's a 2-inch? Let's see what's in here. These are all anodized parts. That's a beauty. We got 4 spacers. These are going to go on the top of our struts all the way around. We've got all the necessary hardware for it. We give you all the stuff you need to do here. This is cool too. Again, we're doing the bolts that come up from the bottom. So you got your shock, it's got a bar pin out of it with 2 bolts come down. Logetting rid of those and going from the bottom up with it so you don't have the bolts hanging down on your control arm anymore. So there's your mount for the lower part of it. So this is going to give you 2 inches all around. If you've got a Sasquatch package, you're probably not going to want to add that on top of it because you've already got about a 2-inch lift and you're going to be raking your axle shafts down so far it'll probably rally the joints on us. So no Sasquatch package, no Raptor. Everything else, you're good to go. Just a little lift does a lot. 2-inch Bronco. I mean, I don't know what all this is. It's the 2021 Ford Bronco 2-inch performance spacer lift kit. You're gonna like this one. They're available now.